A Carnot engine takes 300 calories of heat at 500 Kelvin and rejects 150 calories of heat to the sink. The temperature of the sink is A 1000 Kelvin, B 750 Kelvin, C 250 Kelvin, D 125 Kelvin. So, to calculate the efficiency of Carnot engine, we will use the formula in terms of temperature is efficiency means eta will be equal to 1 minus T2 upon T1 into 100%. This is equation number 1. And to calculate the efficiency in terms of heat energy, we will use the formula as eta is equal to 1 minus Q2 upon Q1 into 100%. So this is equation number 2. By comparing equation 1 and 2, eta is equal to eta. So this will become as 1 minus T2 upon T1 into 100% is equal to 1 minus Q2 upon Q1 into 100%. So 100% will be get cancelled with 100%. So it will be 1 minus T2 upon T1 is equal to 1 minus Q2 upon Q1. यहाँ पर 1 प्लस का है तो बराबर के दूसरी साइड माइनस का हो जाएगा. सो 1 will be get cancelled with 1. So this will become as minus T2 upon T1 is equal to minus Q2 upon Q1. So minus also will be get cancelled with minus. So we have to calculate the temperature of sink. So this will become as T2 will be equal to Q2 upon Q1 into T1. So as Q1 is obtained, which is 300 calories, and T1 is 500 Kelvin and Q2 is 150 calories. So by putting the given values, as Q2 is 150 calories divided by Q1 is 300 calories and T1 is 500 Kelvin. So 2 zeros will be get cancelled with the 2 zeros. So this will become as 150 into 5 divided by 3. So the table of 3 on 3 is 1 times and on 150 is 50 times. So 50 into 5 will be equal to 250 Kelvin, means T2 is obtained as 250 Kelvin. So the correct option is C 250 Kelvin.